What's up, everybody? Carlos here, Ironman 360 BTM movement. I'm back with another tutorial. This one is 2 different kinds of 5-step. Let's get into it. All right, so the first 5-step has to deal with one that I believe I created, or I just don't see a lot of people using it. So it's really simple. If you know how to do a 6-step, this is gonna be definitely an easy one for you. I think it's pretty basic anyways. Starts like this. Straddle position, cross over with the shuffle. 1, 2, sweep, 3, 4, 5. From this angle, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From this angle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if there's any pioneers out there who have seen that previous 5-step and used to do it before, it wasn't intentional, but I've just never seen many B-boys use that move before or that particular pattern. Anyways, moving on to the next 5-step. This one was taught to me by my crew member, BBOY Blend, and he was training with Soul Mavericks at the time, and I believe he learned it out there, so I'm gonna call it the UK 5-step. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we're back. Basically, those are your 5 steps right there, 2 to be precise. All you have to do now is work on your drops into them and your exits. Exits, I feel like it'll be pretty easy because all you have to do is just combine another pattern or another freeze or a power move or whatever. When you get into drops, I'm just gonna go over the basic ones that you should know, or if you're a beginner and you've never done this before, these would be the drops that you should use. So if you're really enjoying this free content, like basically free classes that I'm giving out, hit a thumbs up, subscribe if you're into seeing more of this, and I'll be sure to get out there. And if you have any requests for different patterns that maybe you've seen before or you just want to learn, or a proper breakdown, I'm your man, BTM Movement, and we'll see y'all. Peace.